Brand new truck today. I'm in Greenways and look what I see. Oh, super cool Garfield. He's chilling at the top and his eyes blink. Watch, watch. Real Garfield. Oh, super cool. We got our tickets for this Saturday. The whole bench is decked out with Garfield color. Dude, let's do an extreme close-up. Super cool. Again. Nice. Good morning, hot dogs. Welcome back to the fun. We're doing it real big at work. I'm in Greenways today. Super happy because they gave me a brand new truck, empty, and I heard the landfill for garbage had a big delays in the morning because of the heavy fog up there. So looks like it's gonna be a good day today for a change. Whoa, Greenways is crazy. They got everything here. What is that, trash? I don't know. This is Crown. A lot of cool machine. So I believe it's demolition to the left, and I guess the green is over there. Get out of the way, my guy. Get close up. I see green. I've been here once or twice, but I'm still not super familiar with the place. Looks like there's a lot of dust and particles in the air. It's dumping time. Check it out. Oh, there goes some. Yeah, unfortunately, there's some people that throw trash and recycle and green, so you're gonna probably see a little bit of debris. Trash debris, that is. Okay, here comes some more. Here comes some more. Is that it? That's a big dump. Oh, is that waste management? I see Jess. Jess, you're a mess. What up? She's pretty clean because this one doesn't go to the landfill. That's right. Yellow rail, yellow clamps. Let's do it. Ready. Packer is working. No auto neutral needed, unlike the diesels. Nice. Only 1,000 more to go. Is that accurate? I don't know. I don't count them. Here we go. I had to stop. Something's peeking through. Sneaky, sneaky. Yeah, I'm gonna skip this one. Actually, I'm gonna put this on this side and collect the green. beautiful. Alright my guys, this is too heavy. Doesn't want to go over. Let's check out what's in there, what's in the side. What's going on in here? Right, leaves. Right. Let's dress it up as leaves. Let me try and put. Yep, it's heavy. Yeah, it's really heavy. I noticed that the diesel, the old ones, had a better capacity as far as weight, but yeah, this is still too heavy. I'm gonna have to leave it out. Dumping green, round 2. Man, I didn't even finish. I thought I would finish with my second load, but I still gotta go back. Unless they help me out, but I don't know yet. Is she empty? Yes, sir. That's considered empty. It stinks in here. Oh, that's why. What is that? Produce or something? So I got help. Looks like I'm done as soon as I finish cleaning this and take it to the yard. We need fuel too. Not too bad. Garbage is worse. Like magic. Since I was a little kid, that spot right there used to be a windshield replacement area. It's gone. We're on Glen Oaks. Anyways, time to go to the yard. So yeah, we got professionals fueling up the truck. Thanks, my guy. If it's diesel, CNG, we gotta do it ourselves. Only Wednesdays my household route does not run. Most of the time. Pretty much 99.9% of the time. So there's a chance I might be on a different route on household, garbage, or I might be helping green or blue. Today it was green, which was pretty awesome because a lot of people in the picking up garbage, the black cans, they're still out there right now, and it's 4:20 right now. I'm about to go home. It's already 2 hours of overtime. I would suspect that if I was on household garbage, I would probably be 4 hours of overtime today. So I got lucky. Whole strip, tire looks good, coolant level looks good, power steering, real good. Cart locked. Cool. Hydraulic level. No flat tires, no missing lugs. So the brand new ones, they finally got rid of the excessive mud flaps. So we got mud flaps over here, and then they used to have some over here. That's why it looks a little weird to me right now, these new ones. Let me show you. You see that? This is the older one. See, there's 2 of them. Why do they need so many mud flaps? I don't know. But yeah, on this one, they finally got rid of them. Cool. We'll call that 140. Pretty cool headlights. No leaks. Fuel is full. We got about 65 gallons. So I heard. Anyways, if you're enjoying the fun shows by using your thumb, like, share, and subscribe. Hit the like button, smash it, do what you gotta do. Comment if you like. LA Danny out. It's time to power everything down. Starting with the fan. PTO. Running lights, headlights. What else we got here? It's a brand new truck, so I gotta sometimes figure it out at the end. AC, windows up. Good job. The radio. And that's about it. think I mentioned before, but yeah, this door handle, it rubs with my knee, and my foot, my left foot sometimes is all the way over there, sometimes I bring it over here, my leg is rubbing on this. Why is this here? It's kind of like an afterthought that they did over here. Interesting. Chair was awesome.